Good afternoon on this cold and snowy Monday. Today is Monday, February 5th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework this evening. We have a Module 7 quiz tomorrow. We have the optional review that you can do for homework. Our Units retake is on Friday, so make sure you are preparing for that. Science, there is no homework. Social studies, we have India reading number 2 to complete. You'll have to answer questions there. In language arts, we need to finish reading Chapter 1 of the Watsons Go to Birmingham and then write our journal. If you're confused about the journal, please look at the sample journal that we do have on Classroom. Then, literature, we need to read AR. Half of our AR points are due this Friday. And then we need to also type the vocab for the Freedom Walkers book into the vocab section of our Google Classroom for Lit. Remember that typed vocab is due on Wednesday. That's going to be it for this evening. Have a wonderful day.